can't even hear our cars over his bike.
It's pretty sad, I know.
His bike's... I feel like it's not that loud.
It's really not.
No.
It's kind of lame, really. Oh, here's my tow hook. Ah!
There it goes.
There's only one hook.
Kevin.
You see it?
No.
Look real quick.
It's
It's
like
like right there, right?
Yeah, it's right next to it.
Oh, the drain plug. Wait, are you draining right now?
No.
Oh, I was
it's
gonna say
right
what?
there.
I was like,
Yeah.
What the? Are you kidding?
You gotta put it back on.
No, I just have to take the clip off over here. There's a.
Are you recording that?
Not here anymore. I'm recording on there. That's recording right now.
Where's the?
Is it a good spot?
Where did I put that screwdriver? Is it right here?
Oh, I forgot you can see it.
Yeah.
Cool.
I thought that was.
It's literally like right by my head.
Yeah.
It's right here.
That's more on my brake fluid one.
On the ground.
Oh, there it is.
Can I have some light?
Yeah.
Like this.
Dude, here, take this. You can take that.
That's perfect. Just put it right here.
Oh, filter's right there.
Alright, so
Right there.
this goes out.
Oh, that's like so pointless.
That's right there.
Nice. Large parts of the clip.
Dude, what is this like? There's no reason for this.
Just to cover everything.
Huh?
Cover
Yeah, no.
everything.
No, it's still.
What do we got here? We got that. That's the stock down print. Nice. Got 2 fans. Alright, so let me put this over here. This is gonna be so much.
Kevin, look up.
I think it's a. I want to say it's a 17 or a 14. I think it's a 14. 14.
Put that right there.
I didn't know my car has 2 tow hooks.
You don't need this, dude. You don't need that.
Do you have a longer?
Just pull it off.
Yeah, I got one.
Need this.
Does that one fit?
Let me check. Probably not, man. Yeah, it's gonna be like a 17. Is this a 14?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a 17.
Try that one.
Thanks. Oh, perfect.
Cool. And there you go.
Oh, yeah. Big man pool. Oh yeah. Alright, so it's gonna spew out of my head. If I don't have your GoPro there for a second. Oh,
That's yours.
Here.
oh, that's Titan. That's awesome. That's just beautiful. I should probably know which way to go.
Ooh, it came off easily.
Just do it with your hand now.
Oh, that's nice, dude.
There's a towel right there.
It's gonna be hot as tits.
Yeah. I usually like just unscrew it, keep pressure on it, and then when you're ready to pull it, just pull the bolt back really quick.
Yeah.
Just keep pressure pushing on it. And then when you feel like you're just spinning it, you just
That bolt is so.
there you go.
Holy mother, that's hot. Is that it in the tub?
It's all in the tub. Well, a little on the ground, but mostly in the tub.
Did you guys
Towels right there.
Dude,
Beautiful smell.
That's so bad. That's
you
supposed,
guys
to be,
didn't unscrew.
it's supposed to be clear, dude.
Oh. Yeah.
You can unscrew it now. Yeah.
Definitely.
Well, not mine because it's slippery now.
Oh, dude,
Ah, look.
that is hot. I was putting my hand on that.
No dumb, man. Come on. You
Is that why you're doing it?
My car was just turned on. Actually, you could just do it with a towel. That would be smart. What was the? It was probably the exhaust that you touched.
It was not. That's what I said. It was the exhaust.
I should probably be turned the correct way.
This way. This way.
Right.
Like that.
I think it was.
Collar.
I should be
Yeah, the way you're
turning
going this
towards
way.
You. Why is it so tight? It's not supposed to be tight. Well, that's not working. Alright. How do you make this small? Do you know how to make this small?
Yeah. Well,
Those things break so easily.
can you see your new filter?
Yeah, probably a smart idea.
It's not too big.
Gains for the win.
It's still gonna spin on it.
That is.
Yeah.
Do you have like gloves?
Yeah.
Wait, it's kind of sticky.
Stuff come out. Watch.
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Perfect. Gotta get the gripness.
Oh, there you go.
Perfect. I'm just a weakling.
I would have thought it would come right
Such
off.
a weakling, man. Need to go back to the gym. This is so sad. I can't believe we're getting this on camera that I can't even get this off.